Just gonna make a quick safety stop. We just gotta wait for the other trains to go through the loop here. A little history: the track that you just rode down was part of the Toronto Suburban Railway. Anyone on board the car from Toronto by any chance, or Mississauga maybe? Yeah, Mississauga. Okay. So the line that used to run, so it shut down in 1935, ran between the city of Guelph through Mississauga and then onward to the Keele and St. Clair area of Toronto. When that line shut down, all the track, overhead, everything like that was sold off for scrap. When the museum was founded in 1954, this parcel of land here, which used to be owned by the railway, can anyone guess how much an acreage of land may have cost back in 1954? Any guesses? Come on. It's $100 that they paid for back in the day.
20,000.
Yeah, try paying for that in 2025. I don't think you're going to get the same acreage of land. And obviously, as time went on, they expanded all the way down to 12 lines, put in the turning loops, and we continue to run cars to the day. So once we go through the turning loop here, I'm going to open up the back doors of the car so you can hop off the train. Our ice cream shop is going to be just to my left here as we go past it. Lots of delicious flavors to choose from. You have everything from broccoli ice cream to liver and onion ice cream. If you're weird, there is vanilla and strawberry as well.
这下了就，然后掉头再上车应该。